follow me down to it. Just follow me down and do it. Nobody will know how you come and you go for it. Not gonna get dangerous. Yeah, you gotta worry.